The first 1,000 days of a baby's life, from conception to their second birthday, is a critical period for brain development. This is a time of rapid growth, a time when the brain is laying down the foundation for all future learning, behavior, and health. During these first 1,000 days, the brain is like a sponge, soaking up experiences, forming connections, pruning away unnecessary ones, and refining its complex network of neurons. This rapid pace of growth is mind-boggling. In the first few years of life, more than 1 million neural connections are formed every second. These connections are the building blocks of the brain, shaping everything from a child's first steps to their first words. But what's truly remarkable is that this early brain development is influenced by a variety of factors. Genetics play a role, yes, but so do environmental factors and, importantly, nutrition. In fact, the food a baby eats in their first years can significantly impact their brain development, laying the groundwork for their cognitive, emotional, and even physical health. So, as we can see, the first years of life are a period of incredible growth and change in the brain. It's a time of amazing potential, a time when the right influences can shape a child's brain for the better, setting them up for a lifetime of learning and discovery. Welcome to Brain Hub. Stay with us until the end of the video, as we will be discussing foods that nourish a baby's developing brain. The key to your baby's intellectual growth lies in the food they consume. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in this process. It's not just about filling the stomach, it's about fueling the brain. The right nutrients can significantly support brain development, while malnutrition can lead to deficits. Let's take a moment to understand this. Imagine a construction site. The workers are the cells, and the bricks are the nutrients. Without the proper bricks, the building won't be strong and sturdy. Similarly, without the right nutrients, the baby's brain cannot develop to its full potential. Now, let's explore the importance of certain nutrients. First on our list is iron. It's crucial for making hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen to all parts of the body, including the brain. Without enough oxygen, the brain can't function properly. Next, we have choline, a nutrient that aids in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in memory and muscle control. It's like the communication line between brain cells. And let's not forget essential fatty acids. They are the building blocks of the brain, helping to form cell membranes and aiding in nerve transmission. Think of them as the cement that holds the brain cells together. Interestingly, the brain consumes a disproportionately high amount of the body's energy, which makes nutrition even more vital. It's like a car engine that needs fuel to run. The better the fuel, the smoother the ride. So, it's clear that nutrition is not just about filling the stomach, it's about nourishing the brain. It's not just about growing bigger, it's about growing smarter. So, what exactly should a baby eat to fuel their brain growth? Well, the answer to that question is quite fascinating. Let's dive right in. First on our list is fish. Yes, fish. You might be wondering, why fish? Well, fish, especially fatty types like salmon and tuna, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats that play a crucial role in brain function. Omega-3 fats are the building blocks of the brain's cells. They help form the cell membranes and keep them flexible, which is vital for the cells to communicate effectively. Without these fats, the nerve signals can't travel properly, leading to slower cognitive function. So, including fish in a baby's diet is like giving the brain the bricks it needs to build strong, efficient connections. Next, let's talk about spinach. This leafy green vegetable is a powerhouse of iron. Now, iron is an irreplaceable part of a baby's diet. Why? Because it aids in the creation of myelin, a protective sheath that covers nerve fibers, speeding up nerve impulses. This process is critical for the development of motor skills, attention span, and learning in general. So when you're feeding your baby spinach, you're not just giving them a vegetable, you're giving them a tool to build super fast information highways in their brain. Then we have eggs. Humble, everyday eggs are one of the best sources of choline, a nutrient that is essential for brain health. Choline is a key player in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate memory and mood. It's also involved in the process of DNA synthesis, which is vital for brain development and function. So, every time you're making your little one an egg, you're essentially giving them a boost in memory and mood regulation. But that's not all. There are other brain-boosting foods like blueberries, which are packed with antioxidants that protect the brain from damage. Yogurt, which contains probiotics that can influence brain function. And whole grains, which provide the brain with a steady supply of glucose, the brain's primary source of energy. So, by incorporating these foods into a baby's diet, we can support their brain development and set them up for a lifetime of learning. Nutrition is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each baby is unique, and their nutritional needs will vary. But the principles remain the same: quality over quantity, diversity over monotony, and balance over excess. As parents, caregivers, or expectant mothers, we hold the power of nutrition in our hands. Every mealtime is an opportunity to nourish the brain, to fuel growth, and to lay the foundations for a bright, promising future. Remember, nutrition is a powerful tool that can shape a baby's future. Let's use it wisely and give our babies the best start in life. After all, they are our future.